Hi, I'm Jim Ross from LevelUp. Today, I will going to show you how to deal with briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance check back in a minute error in WordPress. Have you ever tried updating some WordPress plugins and had the screen freeze? Did you refresh madly only to end up with this message? Briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance, check back in a minute error. Well, don't panic. The fix is easy and I'll walk you through it. First thing first, why does this error happen? When you go to update a plugin, WordPress puts itself in a temporary maintenance mode state. When you see the briefly unavailable message, that's a WordPress generated notification that alerts any visitors about what's happening with your site. Let's say you're updating your plugins and someone happens to visit your site during the process. They will see that notification message and then say okay to themselves and hopefully refresh the page in a minute. This message is normal behavior. What's not normal is when your server has a slow response time or for some reason the update script is interrupted. In that case, the friendly notification morphs into a moment of dread and panic. When this happens, WordPress generates a .maintenance file in the root directory of your WordPress installation. With normal behavior, the update script completes and WordPress auto-removes the .maintenance file. In the case of an interruption of some sort, this file doesn't get deleted and the message won't go away. Now, I'll show you how to fix this issue. Here are the steps on how we will going to fix this issue. First, log in to your web server via FTP or your web host control panel. Second, locate the root of your WordPress install. This is where you'll find the folders for WP Content, WP Admin, and WP Includes. Third, look for a file called .maintenance. Next, you just have to delete the file .maintenance. And lastly, refresh your WordPress page and stop crying. Okay, now let's follow the steps that I have mentioned earlier on how to fix this issue. First is by accessing your server files using your cPanel account or your FTP login details. Okay, in this video I will going to use my cPanel account. Type in your username and password and click login. Next is by accessing the file manager. Here is the file manager, and then look for your WordPress root directory. And don't forget to check this show hidden files because in default that maintenance file is hidden. Click go and it will redirect you to your server files. Okay, we just have to find the .maintenance file and delete that file. Here's the .maintenance file. And let's delete this file to fix this issue. Alright, and that's it. Now let's go back to my website and let's check if this really fixed the issue that we are having. Okay, the final step that we should do is by refreshing the page just by hitting the refresh button. And voila! It's fixed the issue of the briefly unavailable maintenance error in WordPress. For a summary on how to fix this WordPress error, here are the steps. Number 1. Log into your web server via FTP or the web host control panel. Number 2. Locate the root of your WordPress install. Number 3. Look for the file called .maintenance. And next, delete the file .maintenance. And lastly, refresh your WordPress site. I hope you learned and enjoyed this video tutorial. If you want more video tutorial like this, just hit the subscribe button and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Cheers!